Welcome everyone to lesson 2 of Apprentice 3, where you will learn how to play the keyboard. In this lesson, you are going to be learning a new note with both hands. If you haven't watched lesson 1, please do so, as we recapped all the stuff we learned in Apprentice 1 and 2. Alright then, let's get started. Now you will learn the note A with your right hand. Now we all know that we have 5 fingers, and you might be wondering, how can I play the note A? To reach note A, just extend your pinky finger from note G to note A, like this. This is how note A looks like on the staff. It is placed on the second space of the treble staff. Now when reading sheet music, both the notes G and A will temporarily be marked as finger 5 until you learn new positions, so make sure you pay close attention to the notes. Look at the screen. I want you to play the note A 4 times slowly with your right hand pinky finger. Feel free to pause the video. That is note A. Look at your printable or on the screen. I want you to listen to me play, then try and play the notes displayed on the screen. Now you will learn the note A with your left hand. When you learn the note A with your right hand, your pinky finger extends from G to A. But this time, when playing with your left hand, your thumb extends from note G to A, like this. This is how low note A looks like on the staff. It is placed on the 5th line of the bass staff. Now when reading sheet music, both the notes G and A will temporarily be marked as finger number 1 until you learn more positions, so make sure you pay close attention to the notes. Look at your screen. I want you to play the note A 4 times slowly with your left hand thumb. Feel free to pause the video. That is low note A. Look at your printable or on the screen. I want you to listen to me play, then try and repeat whatever notes you see on the screen. Let's begin. Let's add the intervals with the left hand. You will now learn the sixth interval. As we discussed earlier, if you play note C and A together, that is the sixth interval. Now let's read them on the staff. Look at the screen. I want you to try and repeat what intervals I play and also understand how they are placed. Let's begin. First one is the second interval. Next is the third interval. Then the fourth interval. Then the fifth interval. And finally, the sixth interval. Look at your printable sheet. I want you to label the types of intervals you see and also play them with your left hand. Here are the answers. Alright, let's move on to the next section. Make sure to place your right hand thumb on middle C and your left hand pinky finger just one octave below middle C. That is low C. Look at your printable or on the screen. I want you to try and repeat what I play. First, listen to me play, and when you see the note appearing on the screen, try to play it when the line touches the note. Let's begin. Congratulations! You have just learned the note A with both hands. Let's see what you have accomplished in this lesson. You learned the note A with your right and left hand and the sixth interval. If you ever get confused, take some time to practice the songs in the playlist, which I have linked in the description box below. If you're in the present time, the songs will come up shortly. But if you're from the future, click the playlist card above or in the link in the description box below. Remember, if you have finished this whole course, you can start playing the songs. But if you are still on a lesson, I highly recommend finishing the course first, then playing the songs. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Okay, if you're ready for lesson 2.1, click here now.